From the wettest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. We received something like 4 to 5 inches of rain over the last couple of days, and mosquitoes are out here swarming like crazy, which means I'm not going to be firing anything up tonight or for a little while. Besides, it's the middle of Road Geek season. That's kind of got all my attention, but we'll be back. In the meantime, I want to thank Sal for sending this. We're going to be trying this today. This is, I hope I can pronounce this right or correctly, Kopi Luwak. Kopi Luwak? Luwak? Anyway, it's cat poop coffee. And you know, I've looked everywhere, but I cannot find my fancy schmancy French press anywhere. And I don't want to run this, through a traditional, what am I saying? I don't want to do this with a Mr. Coffee Maker or something. We're going to do this the traditional Indonesian way. Anyway, I'm rambling out here. Let's go inside and get this done. Stick around. Got my grounds in, so pour some water in. This is hot water, but it's not scalding hot. Alright. Okay. Stir this up. Remember, the coffee grounds are in here, so going to kind of let that steep for probably 3 minutes or so. Alright. We'll be back for the taste test in a moment. Stick around. And here it is, cat poop coffee. Some say it's a cat, others call it a weasel. I didn't give it much thought. I'm going to give it a taste though. Smells pretty good. Like everyone else that I've seen try this mention that there is a fruitiness. It's supposed to be kind of a chocolate undertone. Oh, let's give it a try. Not bad. It is a little bit weak. I probably should have just made 1 cup. We could have shared it, but what do you think? Me too. It's good stuff. It doesn't, actually, yeah, this is kind of mild. It's not bitter. There's no bitterness at all. And there's no aftertaste. This is the rarest coffee on earth, and I can see why. Cat poops it out, or a weasel or whatever, but cheers.